Hi, salam alaikum. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching. So, if you are coming across to this channel for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We need support. We have just recently uh, opened the page or the channel. So, please, to support us, make sure you subscribe and also share it with other people. So as we are going to start with this video today, we are going to look at the equation of circle. We are going to discuss the equation of a circle. So under this equation of circle, the first thing we will look at is the equation of a circle with a center origin, the point on coordinate system, which is 0, 0. So let's try to draw what the coordinate system is. So it is like this: x and y plane. So this one is x axis and this one is y axis. So what we mean by equation of a circle with a point origin or at the origin is a circle where the center of the circle is at this point, which is point 0, 0. So let's draw our circle. This is a circle. So the center of the circle is located at the origin of a coordinate system or x and y plane. So this is what we will look at in this video. We shall solve some of the numbers. This is what we call equation of a circle where the center is at the origin. This is the origin of x and y plane. So that is it. Okay, with this, the equation of a circle with the center, the origin. So we say the simplest case is that of a circle whose center is at the origin. So like if this one is the circle, so the center of it here, the center is at the origin of the xy plane. So we will take an example. We will take an example here of this circle that is given. So in this circle here, we have x axis here. This is x axis and this is y axis. And here is the center of the circle, and it is also the center of the x and y plane where the point is 0, 0. It has a coordinate system of 0, 0. Okay, here is what is given. We are given this point from O and Phi. So this point represent are the radius of the circle, and here we have formed a small triangle here in the middle. Here is the triangle. So with this triangle, this point center the origin is represented by the point O. So it is represented with the point O. So and the point, this point here, is represented by N, and this one at the circumference of the circle is represented by Phi. So with this, we have this horizontal line or horizontal length here is x and vertical length is y. So hypotenuse here is given as 5. That is the radius of the circle. So what do we do here? We know O here. OP is the hypotenuse in terms of triangle. So OP is the hypotenuse, that is the longest length. And ON here, ON is the adjacent. Or if we take this one as an angle, so it is going to be adjacent. ON is the adjacent of this, which is represented by x value. And NP is opposite of this angle, which is represented by y. So it is y. O N is x and O and NP is y. Then OP is equal to 5. So if we are to express the formula for this, to form the equation, so we know for a triangle, what do we say for a triangle? Like if you have hypotenuse, like this one here is hypotenuse, this one is the height of this, and this one is the base. Okay, when we represent this point here, or this length, if we represent this length with the A and this one with the B, and this one here as R. So what we used to do in formula for Pythagoras theorem, we say A is square plus B is square is equal to hypotenuse. If we say here, let's say hypotenuse is C, so this is going to be equal to C square. Okay, if it is so, what we will do, we will use the values that are given here for this circle. So adjacent, this one here, base is given as X and height is given as Y. So our equation is going to be X square, which is the base of this triangle, plus Y square, which is the height of the triangle, is equal to hypotenuse, which is 5. So it is equal to 5 square. Okay, this thing is going to be X square plus Y square is equal to 5 square is 25. So this is 25. This is going to be the equation of this circle. So it is going to be the equation of this circle that is given. Okay, now if you look here, you are being told that if we take a point P, which is this point, the point here which is given. So if we take the point P here, this point here at the circumference of the circle, on the circle, then O P here is the radius. It is the radius of the circle. So when you look at this circle, so and this one is the center of the circle, this point is the radius, because it is radius is a point passing through the center to a point at the circumference of the circle. So for this case, we will have OP as the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle, ON and P, or OPN. So when we draw a perpendicular from a point P here, to x-axis to this point, so of a right angle triangle, now we will have ON here, ON as X and NP as Y. Thus, now we use the Pythagoras theorem, so to form the equation X square plus Y square is equal to 5 square, as we stated before, and the square of 5 is 25. So that is going to be the equation of this circle, that is given here. So the equation of the circle is X square plus Y square is equal to 25. So in that case, if we are given a point Q at one part of the circumference of the circle, so if you take a radius from any part of the circumference of the circle, the equation is going to remain the same. So like for the first circle there, the radius was in the first quadrant, but this one here is given in the second quadrant. So let us see what will happen. So here there is formation of another triangle, right angle triangle. So you are going to take this one as a base, which is A. So you have x1 here and y1, and hypotenuse or the radius is given as 5 there. So the formula is going to be x1 square plus y square y1 square is equal to 5 square, just the same like the one of before. It is going to be x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 25. So it is going to be equal to 25. This is going to be the equation of this circle. So there's no difference with the other one there. So for the above two there, so it leads us to the formula of a circle. So look here, you have the circle, and this one is xy plane. So when you look at this, ON, which is the base of this triangle, is x, and height of triangle is y, so and hypotenuse is r. So you will therefore end up saying that the formula for the equation of the circle when the center is at the origin of the xy plane, so is x square plus y square is equal to r square. So when r is not given, so this formula is what we use for getting the equation of the circle at the point where the center is what is at the origin. So this is the formula for the, so it is given down here. So x square plus y square is equal to r square. So this is the formula for calculating the equations of the circles when the center of the circle is at the point 0, 0. Assuming if you are given a number, like you are being given r for a radius of the circle to be 3. So and then now you are told that find the equation of this circle. Find the equation of the circle whose radius is 3. So what you will just do, you will say the equation of a circle at the point origin is x square plus y square is equal to r square. Now you come and see in the formula what can you replace. So you are only given r, so you have to substitute the value of r here. Now you can have the equation as x square plus y square is equal to 3 square. So the value of r is 3, so just replace it with 3 square. So r here is square. So finally the equation of the circle is going to be x square plus y square is equal to 9. So now since we have learned something here, so let us do some 2 to 3 examples regarding the equation of the circle at the point origin. So let's have something here. How can we find the equation of this circle whose radius is 4 units? This one is 4 units, and the center is at the origin. Okay, here what we have to do, since r is given, r is equal to 4 units, so we have to say the formula for getting the equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to r square. So now we are going to replace r with 4. So this is going to be x square plus y square is equal to 4 square. So here we have to simplify 4. So finally we'll have x square plus y square is equal to 8. So this is going to be the equation of that circle. Okay, what if we are given r as 8? So what we are going to do, we write the formula for the equation of the circle whose center is origin. X squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. So this is the formula. Now since r is given, so replace r with 8. So x squared plus y squared is equal to 8 squared. So therefore we'll have the final equation as x squared plus y squared is equal to 8 squared is 64. So this is the equation. This is the end. We will give you one question and you can give us the answer in comment section. So the question to do is, when you are given r as 2, so what is the equation of that circle? So find the equation of the circle whose radius is 2 at the point with the center origin. So please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel as the part of support. Thank you. God bless you.